What's going on, everyone? So, I'm going to throw some clips in here from random times that I've been working on the truck and trying to get the engine in. This next clip probably is going to be me struggling with some buddies trying to put the engine back in. We're having issues with the fitting. I thought I destroyed the radiator. Turns out I didn't. I just bent a bunch of fins.
Oh, you have to start pulling back towards us?
Just a little bit.
Wow, that's fun.
It's been a few weeks since then putting the engine back in because I had to take the engine back out because the engine wasn't spinning freely. Turns out just had a shoot ton of compression. Yes, I'm talking really fast. I'm kind of like Impulse from the Flash comics. If you know who Impulse is, Bart Allen from the future. He just... Anyways. Hi. I've had a lot going on in my life. If you guys want like a life update video, I'll put one out there. I'll try and keep it short, kind of like 5 minutes or so, maybe 8 minutes, who knows. You know what? Let me just throw that in here right now. So, update in the past few months, what has been going on in my life. I recently got accepted into Local 150 International Union of Operating Engineers here in Illinois. I applied 2 years ago, never received a phone call, didn't think anything of it, kept doing my thing, then the whole shutdown thing happened, heard that the training facility got shut down. All of a sudden I got a phone call one day and then text messages. I had to show up there, did all my evals, and then got called to work, started working, and then got indentured into the program about a week or so ago. So that happened. Also got a girlfriend. She's awesome. She's amazing. You guys might meet her when we go to Florida because she will be coming with us, but she's camera shy, so don't expect her to be on camera. But she'll probably be holding the camera. Anyways, almost died. Some of you may have seen that video. And if you didn't see that video, I'll try and put it up here. Yeah, I bought a new motorcycle after driving my brother's for a while. I bought myself a Yamaha RS6. A couple weeks later, I was cruising down the road. Somebody cut me off. I ended up going into the back of a minivan, and I was on the expressway. Upside down, back, well, first groin into the fuel tank. Anyways, I'll put the video up there. You can watch it. Should be dead, not dead. Back to this video. The Ranger Danger 9000, roll cage. It's in the truck. Last update had everything kind of loosely in here. Everything's still tacked up. I actually have to pull these plates out and put different plates that are thicker in here just for safety procedure and finish welding everything up. But that cage is still very much intact. I got the window net here. Still have to pull the windows out, make something for the bed, get rid of the drop-in, get rid of the spare. Ooh, you guys haven't seen these. Maybe you have. Wheels and tires for the truck. Those are just the rears. They're much smaller than the fronts. We'll see how that works out. Still need to get a front windshield. However, look what's inside the truck now. The engine, which is spinning freely. I ended up just dumping Marvel Mystery Oil down the cylinders because as much as I was oiling them to put them in, they weren't spinning, but they spin now. Everything spins freely. I still have to bolt up the torque converter to the flywheel as I put everything in, but I got all the bell housing bolts in. Still need a new valve cover and this sensor and a couple other things that I may have broken. I don't really know. Yeah, now it's just nitty-ditty tightening everything up. I'm hoping with the brand new compression, this engine is going to be like brand spanking new, because this thing made, what was it, 205 horse brand new in the 4-liter V6s, which a lot of guys are going to be having down there. Those made No, the 4 liters made 205. The 3 liter I think made 195 or 185. I can't remember. I'll try and put it here somewhere in the video. My battery gonna die? No, that's my SIM card. So yeah, engine's back in. Just have to tighten everything up. It's spinning. Have to put all the accessories back on. Good thing I discharged the AC. So we're gonna be doing an AC delete, more or less. I mean, it just won't be there. Because engine has to be in the stock, transmission has to be stock. What I would love to do is kind of do like boom tube, kind of like NASCAR exhaust. I'm gonna do that on this truck. I think it'd be hysterical because since this engine has all this compression back and it's not sloppy and loose like all those other old worn down engines, I think we might have a shot, guys. It's in 2 weeks from this video. I'm gonna try and edit it and put it out this weekend so you guys can watch it and kind of see what's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna throw a bunch of those other clips in here, and I'm getting excited now that the engine's back in. Yesterday I was trying to put this engine in the truck because I got called off work these past few days because we ran into issues with the underground stuff. So I haven't been working these past 2 days, but that's okay because I should be going back to work next week. I did have to take a week off of work after my accident, so I'm still sort of actually recovering from my accident. Still have little back pain, but for the most part I'm healing up pretty nicely. Yeah, I'm gonna try and put the truck in the garage. But I'm working on a 4-wheeler for somebody, so I'm gonna wrap this thing up, get it out of the garage, get my truck in here, or at least call this guy and be like, yo, 4-wheeler's done. I was working on the water pump on it because the seal was bad and it was just dripping out the weep hole. This dirt bike needs the valves adjusted again. Again, that's my brother's bike. Fortunately, Yamaha R6 was sold. I need to learn to breathe. Did you guys know I've had 3 lung collapses in my life? Yeah, first one put me in the ICU. Front bumper got taken off because the engine hoist didn't really fit with the front bumper. And yes, it is doing kind of like a Carolina squat there. It looked really bad when the engine wasn't even in there, but it's all right. It's going to be lowered with the new wheels and tires, which is going to help the center of gravity here. They're wider, like the traction itself is wider on those tires, even though the diameter is smaller. I'd rather have a smaller diameter that's spinning faster and it has more surface area for traction. What the heck was even the point of this video? Hopefully you guys were able to keep up. If you weren't, sorry. I'm a little chaotic in my head. Right, I'm gonna go work on the 4-wheeler. I'm glad that the engine's actually back in. That's a huge headache off of my back. I think I'm gonna end the video. And by end the video, I'm gonna play those clips, or those clips have just been playing in the background. Like, I'm probably gonna throw them in here sporadically, just like how I am. And yeah, so anyways, that's it for this video. Wanted to give you guys an update. Still alive, still here, still making videos, still working on the Ranger. Gonna make it to Florida for the Danger Ranger 9000 because I plan on winning. Because if you ain't first, you're last. Because I want to race and lay mullets. Because I might not have a mullet, but at least it looks like I have one, right? So to whoever's watching this that's also racing in the Danger Ranger 9000, one of us are going to be partnered up with each other. Let's go have some fun in Florida, guys. Latest. Well, it's in. It's not straight, but it's in. So, alright, I'm gonna go park that.